That was a good nap. What can I do today? Oh, I know what I can do. Pop! Ooh, yeah. Ow, my pop. Hey! Ooh. Yeah. Oh no. Ah! What happened? Hey, that's animal abuse, you know. Maybe Vector. I can play with him. Wake up, Vector. Get up. Oh, sorry. Hey. Do you know what we can do? I already tried cooking 5 times. Or I can just scratch up the couch. Ooh. You know it's bad when I get scared to see her. Is it? Oh, you're following me. Cool. I could destroy all the faces. No, I do that every day. I wish this window was... is this window open? What? Oh, man. Hey. Not gonna hit me again this time, right? Oh, okay, you're in a good mood. Oh, isn't that your computer over there? Meow, 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 meow. Well, sorry. Whew, that was close. Oh, is this me? I'm very beautiful. Nah, that's obviously not me. I'm not that skinny. What are you watching? Hey, let me come down there with you. Let's turn this off because they can't hear anything. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna destroy everything in this dumb house. Okay. I'm honestly terrified. Oh no. Oh no. Please. Why does this always happen to me? Everything's cleaned up. Oh, still watching TV, huh? Such a lazy owner. She's so lazy she couldn't even fill up my water bowl. Ooh, what's this? I see there's art drinking this all the time. Ew. What is this gross drink? Oh, please let me free. How is this even legal? Oh, he scared me. It is a challenge where I have to catch all 4 of these. I tried so many times, but I could always make it to 3. It's just something about that last one. Is this one open? Oh, what happened? Oh, I can feed the fish. Maybe that'll make it fat enough for it to eat. Oh. Yeah. Oops. I mean, you can't really blame me. I'm only a 1-month-old kitten, and that should be your job. Now. Ooh, money. If I get monies, I can buy a way out? Yeah, that sounds about right. Hey! Don't mind me, just trying to get up to that. Don't worry, I've been up there before. I know how. Just climb up with my handy dandy claws. Now, break it. Monies! Monies! Oh. Yeah. Okay, I really need to go to the vet. I really think this is messing with my brain. You know what? I want to call Animal Protective Services. Actually, I'm going to call 911. More likely to help me. I'm going to call 911. Animal abuse. There's nothing even in this thing bottle. Oh, come at me, huh? Wait! I didn't do my jump at the time. Yeah. Seriously, I got hit like 50 times in one day. I'm gonna go. She's over there. I'm gonna go over there, knock every single thing I can off the shelves before she can see me. Or you know what? Wait. I'm gonna go over there, knock everything up there, and she won't even come at time. And right when she comes, I jump onto the fridge. I think that's a pretty good plan. Like, you really think, oh, the old ladies are the nice, sweet ones. Yeah, tell that to the person who literally knocked their cat in the head like 7 times in one day for accidentally knocking over some vases. That's such a lie. How I'm gonna convince her? I don't. To go back over there. I'll just wait and I'll mess with this machine. And 2, or I should go inside. The button. Wait, help. 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 Wait, no. No. Wait, please. Oh, it's kind of getting hard to breathe in you. Oh gosh. This was a big mistake. I shouldn't have done this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've ever done. Just please get out of here. You can't just leave your dear old Tiki in here to cook. Yeah. Granny, can you hear me? Can you see me? Watch. No, that's what you do. Granny, I'm sorry. Listen to me, if you can hear me. You adopted me from that place, like with a bunch of cats in the cages. When I used to be like the stray or something, and you get me out of here, and I still want to go back outside. You gave me a name, Tiki. I don't even know what that means, but this is pretty calmy stuff. So, yeah, obviously you must love me if you go through all that hard work. So, you should get me out. Listen, if you get me out, I promise I won't knock another thing in my whole life. Is that the one? Is that the one? Is that the one that's making you come? Huh? Wait. How's this working? I thought this was the end for me. But I guess there's a light. Now how do I squeeze out this? Well, at least I can breathe now. I will just take a little nap, and when I wake up, you'll be over here about to bake you a hot pocket, and you see me and set me free. Yeah. Wow. This is starting to hurt. It's a very uncomfortable position. I guess I'll just sleep it off. Good night to myself.